Do you know what problems you may face if you're not a good speaker of English? Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Kami, the ultimate destination for mastering the art of English speaking. So guys, today we are going to talk about why English speaking is most important and crucial in the modern world and how it will remain vital in future. So let's get started. Point number 1. Global communication. English is the universal language of communication. It allows people from different areas, different religions, different cultures, and different civilizations to connect with each other effortlessly and perfectly. Point number 2. Career advancement. In today's global job market, proficiency in English is one of the most important factors, and if you want to get a good job in your future or you're willing to do some kind of job in future, you should be a good speaker of English. And if you're not, you will be rejected. And most of the multinational companies, and even I saw in many hotels, even in Pakistan, employer and recruiters prefer those candidates who are good in English speaking. And if you want to be a receptionist, you should be a good speaker of English because it will increase your level of confidence, it will increase your value, and you will be recognized as a unique and specific person while interviewing when they will see your CV. So the recruiter first of all will think that this is a candidate who can speak English, and this is our candidate who can handle our international clients as well as our local clients. So this is the thing that you should keep in mind while applying for different jobs. So in future, if you're a good speaker of English, you can proceed and you can get progress in every field. If you're an organizer or if you're a CEO of a company, you should be a good speaker of English. And if you're not, you will be rejected. And the one who will be the good speaker of English, he will represent your company or your organization. So that's why English speaking is most important in this time and after that. So the third point is access to the information. English gives you the access of vast amount of knowledge, and the most of the internet information is in English language. And if you can understand and if you can read and write English, so you can get information, you can read, you can write. If you can understand and if you can read English, so you are a person who can learn whatever you are looking for, whatever the skill that you want to learn. And the information on internet is almost 99% is in English. So that's why you can get progress in your specific field. Or if you want to change your field and you want to learn some new skills and you want to proceed with a different mindset, so you can get progress by using English language. If you're a good speaker of English and you can learn English and you can understand English, you have endless possibilities of doing something in this world. And the point 4 is one of my favorite one, and that is travel and tourism. I don't think there is anybody in this world who don't want to travel the whole world and who don't want to explore the earth. So that's why if you're a good speaker of English or you can communicate in English, so you can travel the whole world, and this is the passport of the earth. If you are willing to travel to somewhere in abroad and if you can speak English, you can order something in English, you can know the directions, and you can do a lot of other things by using English language. And English is your passport to travel from ordering food to asking directions. It will make everything easy for you in every corner of the world. If you're fond of tourism or travel, if you want to explore the earth and if you want to explore different cultures, different civilizations, different customs, and different people from different areas of the world. So that's why you should have some basic information, some basic skills of English speaking if you are a person who want to travel the whole world. And the fifth and one of the most important point is social and cultural understanding. Learning English opens doors of endless possibilities for you to explore the cultures, different traditions, different civilizations, and different people, different communities, and even the whole world you can explore if you are a good speaker and if you're a person who can understand English. So you can watch some documentaries in English because most of the knowledge on internet is in English language. That's why if you're a good speaker of English, you're a learner and you can understand English, it will maximize your chances of getting information, chances of getting knowledge, chances of getting upgrade skill, because everything is free on internet and you can learn everything if you're a good speaker or if you're a person who can understand English. So guys, if you have learned anything from my video, then make sure to subscribe my channel and thumbs up, like and comment on the video. If you have any question related English speaking, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll try my best to give you the answer of that question. Stay blessed and happy. Have a good day.